Bring her around to the main bay, easy now.
Clear on the left. Watch the ramp.
Keep them moving towards section Gamma. Clear the path on the left side. Here at the ManufactureXplore facility, our automated systems ensure every albino bison receives premium, precisely measured nutrition.
The automated system is working perfectly. Look at the flow rate here.
Yes, all parameters are optimal for the bison.
Heartbeat is strong and steady, vitals holding normal.
Confirmed, doctor. The pulmonary scan also came back clear.
Scan complete. Vitals look good on this one, 72.
Noted. The horn density is remarkable.
Look at the cardiac rhythm on the main screen.
Stable. The new feed regimen is clearly having a positive effect on the overall markers. Ramping up the pressure on Sector 4.
Acknowledged. Applying conditioner mist.
Dryer operational. Scan complete on the left flank. Data looks nominal. Confirmed. Moving to the next stage. The ManufactureXplore team ensures every batch meets the highest standards for the Albino Bison program. Monitoring the magnificent Albino Bison requires precision, ensuring both its health and comfort within the facility. The heart rate is fluctuating significantly here.
Yes, I see that. Let's adjust the sedation levels slightly.
Cycle 4 complete. Air scrubbers at 98% efficiency.
Acknowledged. The subject seems comfortable with the current parameters. Keep the localized humidity constant. Data looks good. The supplements are working.
Vitals are stable, and the feed schedule is optimized for the next 24 hours.
Excellent. Log the data and monitor the growth rate closely.
The vitals look stable across the board.
Yes, but check the enzyme levels here, slightly elevated.
Look at the leukocyte count here. It's slightly elevated.
Yes, but the vitals remain stable. We should continue the current feed regimen.
In the horn processing department, premium materials are meticulously sorted before entering our advanced CNC machines for shaping.
Did you log the new shipment from Sector 4? Yes, the manifest is updated on the tablet. Everything checked out.
We verify every measurement twice.
15.2 millimeters. Confirmed.
Excellent. Move it to the conveyor.
The texture on this hide is excellent. Does it align with the digital rendering? Yes, the scan confirms the grain consistency.
Verification complete on container 45B. Your.
Confirmed. All labels match the manifest. Manifest.
Check lot 45B. Make sure the seals are secure. Sealed and ready for transport. Is the manifest clear for the Delta shipment? Yes, checked and signed. We're ready to load. Verify the seal locks on container B. Confirmed. Locks engaged. Starting barcode scan now. Scan now. The digital twin confirms the pallets are loaded.
Excellent. Final export approval confirmed. Confirmed. Final approval confirmed.
Excellent. The shipments can proceed. Here, in the heart of our modern factory, luxury is redefined. Witness the fusion of tradition. Albino Bison, where visionary design meets unparalleled scale.